back to pass over the middle.
Whole PE in the slot to the near side. They're going to hand it off again to the near side. Hand it off. Oh, he's going to keep it to the outside. Has a receiver.
They started with Alkai Albao. You know, I hope Alkai Albao is okay. That's why he's not on the
Down the. Seen them have success, and that one up the middle. I think that was Obnis to the Red Raiders. It's gonna be 2nd and 10. Handoff up the middle. Competitiveness out of the players, but you know, here drops back the pass, and he's gonna pocket.
Good play call there at time by Coach Derek Burrell to give the ball to.
Ball goes to Caressa. Manara with the ball, gives it to Caressa. Manara with the ball, quick pass. It's not the Hiki. Caressa with the ball. Caressa hit at about the 40-yard line. He'll be dropped, right? Over to the
Ball goes to Nakahiki Young, and he'll be dragged down. In motion goes Nakahiki Young. Manara takes a snap, gives it to number 8. Manara takes a snap, gives it to Nakahiki Young. Nakahiki Young again to Bader. Nakahiki Young up the middle. Manara with the ball, gives it to Nakahiki Young. He has a first down. Takes a snap. Manara on a quarterback keep. Look. Ball goes to Nakahiki Young. Nakahiki Young breaks a tackle, still on his feet. Gives it to Nakahiki Young. A ball in Nakahiki Young in the backfield. Ball goes to Nakahiki Young. Nakahiki Young be hit, still fighting for yardage. Nakahiki Young did not go down yet. In the backfield. Ball goes to Nakahiki Young. Shotgun. Nakahiki Young takes a snap. He fakes it to Nakahiki Young. He's on a quarterback.